Yo guys, welcome to this video. Today I am back. Today we are racing. I'm back in England for the next couple weeks or months or however long the coronavirus is gonna go around for, because the coronavirus is going around, all the borders are gonna be shutting soon, so I came back to England. We're at Bear Regis. I've been here many times before, but there's a race meeting here, so doing a race. It's currently raining a bit. It was meant to be light rain, but it just hammered down a bit, but the track looked pretty decent when I walked it, as you guys seen. I got first practice, and then there's 3 races today. Hopefully the track and the weather holds up and it should be good, and I'll see you guys out there. So that was my first race. As you've probably seen, there wasn't that many people here. It was a normal club meeting in England, and the British was meant to happen on that day. The British didn't end up actually happening, but I went to this race because I couldn't get into the British, and they cancelled it anyway. But yeah, it's not like a totally serious race, just so you guys know. It was just a bit of fun. And yeah, as you've seen, it was not so packed in this class. There's about like 10, 15 riders, not that many. But yeah, I got third in this race. It was Jake Shipton in first, fast rider, MX1 in the British, and Jamie, who I always train with, he was in second, and then there was me, and then there was a big gap to fourth, but there was also a big gap in between second and third, Jamie and me. So yeah, that's why the clips just kind of looks like I'm riding on my own. On the start, I was actually fourth. I got past third after 1 lap, and then kind of just rode my own race for that first race. And yeah, on to the second one. Race 2 was kind of more of the same thing, but got a better start. In the second one, I was second, kept that for like 3 or 4 corners, then Jamie got past me, and then as you've seen, that was the first lap on the first clip, I made a mistake, and they basically got away from there, and then just kind of just rode in third again for the whole race. But the rain was really pouring down. Track conditions were okay for actually riding. I actually enjoyed it. I did crash a couple laps from the end, and my hands were just slipping off the side of the grip because there was so much dirt and everything. As you crashed, it got onto your gloves and your fingers would slide off. It was so annoying. But yeah, that was race 2. Let's go into race 3. Race 3 was only one clip. I had a bit of a bike problem, but still brought it back in third again. I whole shotted this one actually against Jake Shipton and Jamie, so that was a nice thing. My starts got better through the day. Not sure if that was just gate pick or it's just me sending a bit harder, but after like a couple laps my throttle started getting stiffer and stiffer, so it wasn't actually going back, it would just stay on, and yeah, I had to ride the whole race with a stuck on throttle basically, but I just kept pulling it back. So I basically just rode round and I got third. As I said, not so much a serious race, but I just wanted to film and get you guys a video because I'm not sure how much riding I'm actually going to be doing whilst I'm in England, so I thought I'll just get a video out for you guys and show you what like a standard British club meet is like in the rain. That is what basically my whole childhood looked like on motocross, riding in a rain. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter, add me on Snapchat, share this video, and that is it. Peace out.